Hi everyone, my name is Satish Alvarti, working as assistant professor in mechanical department. Today I would like to explain different stages of coal handling process. In coal handling process, we have various stages are there. What are those? Means the first one is coal delivery, unloading the coal, preparation the coal, transfer the coal, outdoor and covered storage, in-plant handling, weighing and measuring, and finally furnace firing. These are the various stages of coal handling process. Now, what are the equipments involved in coal handling process? First stage, coal delivery. In coal is delivered by railroads or trucks and ships. After coal delivery, the coal is sent to unloading process. In unloading process, we are using the trucks, cranes, buckets. These equipment we are using unloading process. With the help of this equipment, we unloading coal. After unloading the coal, that coal is sent to preparation plant. In this plant, we are using crushers, mills and dryers. These equipment using we have to prepare the coal. After preparation the coal, that one is transferred with the help of screw conveyor, belt conveyors or elevators. The coal is transferred to the outdoor and covered storage. After the storage, that coal is sent to in-plant handling. After in-plant handling, the coal is sent to weighing and measuring process. In this process, coal is measured and weighing by scales and coal meters. After weighing and measuring process, we have to send the coal to the furnace firing with the help of belt conveyors. Now, let us discuss briefly about the stages. The first stage is coal delivery. A coal is delivered by different modes. With the help of trucks and railroads, we deliver the coal. Unloading process. In this process, we are using different equipments. For suppose, if coal is delivered by railway wagons, with the help of rotary car dumpers, we are unloading the coal from the railway wagons. If using the rotary car dumpers, the cost is very high. So this is one of the main disadvantage. But main advantage is efficiency is very high in unloading process. For suppose, if coal is delivered by trucks, there is no need of unloading device, as the trucks may dump the coal to the outdoor storage. If coal is delivered by trucks, we no need of unloading device. So there is no unloading equipment we are used in this process. So this process is very simple and cost is also low. After unloading the coal, we are sent to preparation. Why we are preparing the coal means, when we are unloading the coal sizes are different sizes, but we need a required size of the coal for sent to the coal firing. In this process, we are using the crushers and mills. We are resizing the coal. This is the layout of the coal preparation plant. The uncrushed coal is sent to the coal crushers. In coal crushers, we are using the mills and coal crushing equipment. After crushing the coal is fall down on vibrating separator. In the vibrating separator, it is vibrate with the help of cam. In vibrating separator, we eliminate the bigger size of the coal. That bigger size of the coal again were sent to the coal crusher. Here small or required size of the coal only fall down on belt conveyors. With the help of belt conveyors, we are transfer the coal to the coal dryers. In coal dryers, we send the hot gases. Why we are send the hot gases means, for suppose in coal having moisture content is more, we are eliminate that problem with the help of hot gases. Why we are eliminate the moisture means, if moisture content is more, the combustion rate is also very less, it decreases. So with the help of coal dryers, we eliminate the moisture. After coal dryer, the dry coal is fall on belt conveyor. So belt conveyor is a continuously rotating conveyor. At the end of the belt conveyor, we arrange the bucket elevator. With the help of bucket elevators, the dry coal is lifted and then sent to the coal storage. This is the coal preparation plant working process. Thank you.